Alright, we're back onto a fun one. Got a couple of scrap pieces of oak. You see the markouts on it. And here's the other scrap oak. Now obviously it doesn't matter if you're using a cookie or if you're using a regular flat board, square, rectangle, whatever. You know, but this is all it's going to take is these two pieces, and it doesn't need epoxy, whatever. Just you could apply this principle to whatever you got. Let's just get these things cleaned up. We did that so it could fit through the planer. The planer takes 13 inches and this was like 13 and a half or something. So board's 24 and 3/16. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to 7 and 15/16, make a mark, go up 1/8 of an inch, so it'll be 8 and 1/16. Then we'll go up to 16 and 1/16, and then go 1/8 of an inch above that, which is 16 and 3/16, which will bring us right to 24 and 3/16. So the three boards will be the same size. Nothing but the layout, and all I did was I measured from one end 1 inch and from the other end 1.25 inches, and that's it. I just marked it like that on both sides of the board just so that I have something to do this with. Now mind you, this is just off the top of my head, like 99% of the projects that I do. Sometimes I will lay out plans, you know, if I'm doing it for a customer, something custom, or if I'm doing something complicated and I just want a cut list. But the layout on your material is the most important piece that really should devote extra time to, because it will pay dividends down the road. If you screw your layout up, you're working on something that you're gonna have issues with or make a mistake. What I'm doing right now is more decorative, so it's far less vital for it to precise to the 32nd of an inch. Save my battery, and I'll be back with you in a minute.
degrees, like the guy behind the wall.
Alright, enough tomfoolery. Assembly. Now, this is silicone right here. Got a little bit of wood glue, and we got some E6000. Now, just to give you the super fast rundown. Whenever you're doing tenons like this, it's better to get the inside. That way, when you scrape down, it doesn't just, if you put it just along the edge of the actual tenon instead of the mortise, when you go to slide it in, it's going to beat up on the sides and it's going to start coming out. But so we're going to brush in some glue on the inside of the mortise. This is a flexible adhesive. It hardens up kind of like a rubber. So I want to use this in order to make kind of like a gasket around the shoulder. My daughter's picks, since this is her step stool. So these were the colors she wanted: blue, pink, and silvery white. take the blanket off.
Okay.
Surprise! You like it?
Yes! I love it, Daddy.
Sit on it. Well, you know what it's for, so that you can reach the floor when you're using the potty.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Well, don't go on the stool. All right, high five. Bam!
Daddy,
So it's a winner,
Daddy, I
and,
wish
and
there
it's
was
not
like...
so heavy you can pick it up.
Okay, where do I put this?
Give it to me. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
So that's your stool, and it could be like your little doll table or whatever. Or you can sit on it, or...
I can use it for all of those, right?
Exactly.
I like the blue color the most.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Progressive Ideas out. Like and subscribe.
Go!
Not now, but right now.